Start with 1 brick of Philadelphia cream cheese. Then get 1 bag of frozen chopped spinach and 1 red pepper diced up. Okay, next up we have 1 jar of marinated artichokes. Now they did have the regular artichokes in a can, but I just think this marinated flavor just adds so much taste to this dish. Also makes it extra juicy, and who are we kidding? It's a big time saver here. So go ahead and throw those in, and then just use your fingers to make these artichokes into very small bite-sized pieces. Okay, last up we have some sour cream. I used about 1/3 of a cup here, and then I'm just going to kind of fill in some pockets all the way around, filling our cast iron with some yummy sour cream. Okay, next up, add some garlic cloves. I have 3 of them right here, and I have this little fun gadget that helps me kind of smoosh it all together. That's so helpful. Now you don't have those garlic fingers. Just a couple taps. Okay, last couple ingredients here. We have our olive oil. Just drizzle it all the way around. Delicious. Okay, here we go. Now let's add some cheesy goodness. We have some mozzarella. Just gonna go ahead and sprinkle this all the way across. Oh, this artichoke dip is going to be so yummy. Delicious for a backyard party. Great summertime appetizer. Okay, last ingredient here, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna do, let's see, about 1/3 of a cup. All right, perfect. Here we go. All the way across. This is going to make a nice golden crust on top here. A little bit more drizzles here. All right, let's go ahead and throw this in the oven. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven at 350 degrees. What's great about the cast iron is they can go right into the oven. Just make sure you take off your plastic mitten there. All right. So while our artichoke dip is cooking, gonna go ahead and grab our bread. Now I just got this from the store. I did not make this homemade, but that is an option if you wanted to, right? Get a regular bread knife, and we're gonna go ahead and just start cutting right into this. And what we're doing here is, instead of serving this up on a dish, we're gonna actually make this into a bread bowl. So go all the way around here, and it serves 2 purposes. So as a bread bowl, yes, to hold the dip in, and then also this is what all of our friends and neighbors are gonna be using to dip and enjoy that artichoke dip. So just take out this top. There you go. Right, go ahead and start getting out some of these guts inside. Right, there you go. You want a nice rounded edge there. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. So once that's all set here, we're actually gonna throw this into the oven as well. Actually, first I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it. Hold on. Okay, yeah, just some drizzles all the way across. All right. We don't wanna bake it too long, just about 5 minutes or so, okay? There we go. I'm gonna grab a mitten real quick. All right, you see that cheese is already starting to bubble there? It's already starting to melt together, and we're just gonna put his little friend there right beside him, okay? Okay, so this is that remaining top that we have. All we're gonna do is just chop this up into little bite-sized pieces so that anyone can easily grab and go. I love it when the edges are crispy like that, so I like to include as many of those as I can. All right, now it's been about 25 minutes or so, and look at how brown and gooey that looks. You got that crispy cheese on top, those artichokes, that spinach inside. Oh, that looks so good. We're gonna mix all those colors in a minute. Now I went ahead and took out my bread loaf here after about 5 minutes because I didn't want it to burn. So that was just to heat it up, so I'm gonna put that right there. let's take a look at this. We're gonna go ahead and mix all these beautiful colors. It's gonna turn out so yummy. So we have our cream cheese here. We have our spinach over here that you can tell. Got the artichokes, and then we also have those peppers. So let's go ahead and just mush this all together. Oh my goodness. Beautiful spinach artichoke dip. All of these colors are gonna come together. I just want to bite into it right now. My gosh, this looks so good.
Me too.
I know, it's so creamy. We're going to get to taste it here. So just keep on mixing. All those greens and the red. So yummy. And this is great if you're having company over, family over, backyard pool party. It's a great little dip and go summer treat.
It smells amazing too.
It smells really good, doesn't it? All right, now that it's all mixed up together, okay, so luckily I have a cast iron here, so it has a little bit of a spout there. But Jeff, you might have to help me because I'm going to smush this and spoon this into our bread bowl here, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I've got this.
Okay.
All right, and see if you can evenly get it in there. Do I need to go slower?
Yep, a little bit slower, yep.
Okay, how's it looking? We don't want our bread to get too messed up. All right,
Okay, that's good.
It's
Yep.
good? All right. Okay, so once this is all cleaned up on the side here, you're ready to go. So you can take one of the little bread pieces. Remember that was the top on here. And you just scoop some out. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Oh, should we do it?
Let's do it, try it.
Okay.
How is it?
That is so creamy. So creamy, so good. If you don't like the bread too, you could also have some extra pita chips on the side as well. Just depending on what folks like. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, I hope you like it and share.